The Walking Dead. At the beginning of the story, we were with a police officer who worked in an abandoned hospital and discovered that the world has changed. He first faced the zombie apocalypse while completely alone. After walking for several days, he finally saw his wife and son again in a very moving scheme. Later they continued advancing in a very large group of people. They survived in the face of adversity and the growth of zombies in the middle of a thick agir of approximately 10 years old. Disparate after several months in which the group went looking for they finally found her, but not as everyone expects. In a memorable scene, they decided to open a farm bar where many walkers were locked up after killing each of them. The gear finally appeared would let the place turned into a zombie. To everyone's horror and surprise, it is the policeman who decided to shoot in the head and end the matter. Years later, the policeman gave birth to a girl through a caesarean section without anesthesia, and before she did, she asked her son to chop her in the head so as not to become a walker. Finally, the boy fulfilled his mother's wish. After several months of fidgets, a governor appeared who cut the bar owner's throat in front of his daughters and the police group. When they committed this act, there was a confrontation when both sides and badly injured. The owner of the barn train of fled. However, the governor caught within and finished beheading in his head transformed into a zombie was straddled to one side, and it was a member of the police group who ended his suffering when he shot him. Later, a psychopath appeared who had a bad weapon in barbed wire, and that was his protection weapon with which he defended himself from danger. What the other survivors do not imagine is that this person would become a very feared villain. Finally, that character ended up taking the lives of two people in front of the group that sought to serve the situation in which they found themselves. Later, a group called the Whisperers carried out one of the most chilling massacres when they murdered 10 people and put their heads on pigs. After the police group found out what happened, they decided to take revenge and murdered some people who were very important to the whisperers.